Today we're going to discuss a one-button YouTube content machine that takes only a single topic and generates everything you need to publish a video. We're going to have to input stuff. You would only type something in like topic, how to make money with AI. That, or you might type in something like best side hustles in 2026. Those are just ideas, okay? Then the AI automatically creates everything below. We got a whole bunch of stuff below here to read to you. So be careful and be happy. Okay, step 1, research. So we're going to generate trending search keyword target audience. We're going to make sure that the competitor analysis is done. Frequently asked questions, viewer pain points, and opportunities. Now, for step 2, which is a video strategy, we're going to generate video goals. Target viewer, emotional hooks, and call to action, and last but not least, monetization opportunities. Now, most of these things you can find in my book, things like how to create titles. We want to generate 20 clickable titles ranked from best to worst. Examples. We have some examples, don't we? We always have examples. Sometimes they're not the best in the world, but sometimes they are. Make money with AI in 2026. 7 AI hustles that actually work. Stop wasting time. Use AI instead. Now, step 4 is our nicely built up and generated thumbnail ideas. You want to generate around 10 thumbnail concepts. Include background, main image, facial expressions, colors, text, 3 to 4 words, and you want that CTR score prediction to be really good. Like this right here, example, big $1,000, robot plus money, bright yellow. Now in step 5, we come to the magical hook. Generate 5 opening hooks. Example, if I had to start over with $0 today, here's exactly what I'd do. And number 6 is script, intro, story, main points, examples, transition lines, and call to action. And we have length option. Should have a 3-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, and 30-minute worth of length. That is including the shorts and the long form. Now in number 7, we get to break down this scene. The scene has got to look a specific way, like an AI robot appears on the screen, on the scene. Money animation, you have that money dancing and floating around him. Number 3 would be screen recording, where they recorded where you record you're doing something on the screen. Then you're going to have 4, there's going to be some charts running up and down showing where you are and what you hope to get to. And number 5 is the conclusion. Step 8, image prompts. Generate prompts for AI image tools. Example, modern futuristic AI robot counting stacks of cash inside a neon office, cinematic lighting, ultra realistic, and you want the video to be at 16:9. Now, video prompts. Generate prompts for AI video generators. Example, futuristic robot typing on a computer while digital dollars fly through the room. That makes me think of Bitcoin. Digital dollars? That's Bitcoin. Oh boy. Now, We're going to do a voiceover. Now, to generate narration optimized for AI voices. And number 11, we're going to have some background music, and we recommend that you make sure that you have the license to use the music, because if you don't, it's not going to do you any good. You have different moods, different setups on music. You have genre, mood, tempo, sound effects, all of that. Make sure you have the license and the right to use it. Now, number 12 is the B-roll list. B-roll is really important because you have examples that you can show. You got laptops sitting there, you got dollar bills flowing through the air, you got graphs that are on the wall, you got city skyline out that office window, you have an office, and you have a phone screen. Now, number 13, SEO. We all love SEO because everybody's always trying to get that search engine optimization right. Your description, tags, keywords, hashtags, and chapters are all covered under SEO. Now, short, that 3-minute video, it can go no longer than 3 minutes exactly. Okay, you want to take your video that you're working on here and you want to turn it into 10 YouTube short, 10 TikToks, 10 Instagram reels, and 10 Facebook reels. That's like 40 different chances for people to locate your video, see your video, and click on it. Now, step number 15, social media posts. Create a promotional post for Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Threads, and Instagram. Now, step number 16 is going to be your blog. Turn the script into a blog article, email newsletter, a website post. Okay, that way you can get it out there to even more people. Because a lot of people won't watch the video, they'll read a blog article or they'll read the website post or an email letter. Step number 17, monetization. Suggest ways to monetize the video with affiliate products, digital product, courses, memberships, sponsorship opportunities. Those are all simple ways that you can go ahead and monetize your channel without having to be a part of the YouTube plan. Okay, now step 18, analytics checklist. After publishing, evaluate click-through rate. You want to figure out the average the view duration, audience retention, subscriber growth, revenue, and suggested improvements. That's all about that beautiful analytics you get. The ultimate master prompt. I'm going to read this to you as fast as I can because this is a prompt that is really important. Here's what AI is saying. AI is saying, act as my AI YouTube content manager. When I provide a single video topic, generate a complete YouTube content package. Include audience research, keyword research, competitor insight, 20 high performing titles, 10 thumbnail concepts, 5 hooks, a full video script, scene by scene breakdown, AI image prompt, AI video prompts, voiceover narration, B-roll suggestion, background music, recommendation, SEO title, description, tags, hashtags, timestamp, chapter markers, 10 short ideas, social media posts, a companion blog article, monetization strategies, and a post-publication and analytics checklist. Present everything in a clear production ready format so AI can create and publish the video with a minimal editing. This system can become the foundation of your channel's workflow. Once we wrap it in a simple web or desktop interface, you'll be able to enter a topic, click generate, and receive a complete production package in minutes based on the YouTube branding and monetization project we've already been building together, this could evolve into a product that could offer that we can offer to other creators. There's quite a few little mistakes in there, ladies and gentlemen, but I'm not going to edit it out because it needs to be there for you to see. You need to understand that we're all human. We all make mistakes, but the fun time is when we put one out and we hope, and we always hope for a viral video. Um, this one won't be a viral video. This one will be lucky if it's just a video. This is going to be on a new channel. I'm not so sure if I'm going to create a new channel or if I'm just going to kind of move the old channel into the background and work that channel and change the stuff on that channel that needs to be changed. So thank you for watching, and you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.